Nettle leaf, also known as Urtica Dioica, is a green leafy plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Despite its sting when touched fresh, nettle becomes safe and highly nutritious once cooked or dried. It is packed with vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. It also provides minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. This makes it a powerful plant for overall health and wellness. Nettle leaf is very high in iron, making it helpful for people suffering from iron deficiency anemia. It helps in increasing red blood cell production and boosting energy levels. It also contains vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. This makes nettle an excellent natural option for improving blood health without synthetic supplements. People with joint pain or arthritis often use nettle leaf to reduce inflammation. It contains compounds that act like anti-inflammatory drugs and help in reducing swelling and pain. Drinking nettle tea regularly or using it in soups can ease joint stiffness, especially in the elderly or those with chronic pain conditions. Nettle leaf also supports kidney and urinary tract health. It has natural diuretic properties, which means it increases urine flow. This helps in flushing out toxins and preventing urinary tract infections. It may also be helpful for people who suffer from kidney stones, as it supports overall kidney function and detoxification. Many people use nettle leaf to treat allergies, especially hay fever. It helps block the production of histamine in the body, which causes allergy symptoms like sneezing, itchy eyes, and runny nose. Drinking nettle tea during allergy season can offer natural relief and reduce dependence on over-the-counter allergy medications. Nettle is also good for skin health. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help in reducing acne and skin irritation. Applying nettle-infused oils or creams on the skin can calm redness and promote healing. Drinking nettle tea can also cleanse the blood, which results in clearer, healthier skin from the inside. For people dealing with high blood pressure, nettle leaf may help lower it naturally. It promotes better circulation and relaxes blood vessels. This can reduce the strain on the heart and improve overall cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that nettle can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels when used regularly. Digestive health is another area where nettle leaf shows great benefits. It stimulates the digestive system, improves nutrient absorption, and helps relieve constipation. The fiber content also supports gut health by feeding healthy bacteria and reducing bloating. A simple nettle tea or adding steamed nettle leaves to food can improve digestion. Nettle is a great herb for women's health. It can help regulate menstruation and reduce heavy bleeding due to its vitamin K content. It also eases menstrual cramps and supports hormonal balance. For breastfeeding mothers, nettle is used to increase milk production. It is safe and nourishing for both mother and baby when taken properly. Nettle supports healthy hair as well. It is often used in shampoos and hair oils to reduce hair fall and promote hair growth. Its high levels of silica, iron, and vitamins strengthen hair roots and improve scalp circulation. Rinsing hair with nettle tea or applying nettle oil can make hair shinier and thicker over time. Nettle leaf also plays a role in supporting the immune system. The antioxidants it contains help fight free radicals and protect cells from damage. This reduces the risk of infections and supports faster healing. Regular consumption can help the body stay strong and fight off common illnesses like colds and flu. Some people use nettle to manage blood sugar levels. Early research shows that nettle may help lower blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. This can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those trying to prevent it. Drinking nettle tea regularly may support better blood sugar control when combined with a healthy diet. Nettle is also helpful for people with enlarged prostate or urinary issues in men. It helps reduce symptoms like frequent urination or trouble starting urination. It is often used alongside other herbs for treating benign prostatic hyperplasia and improving male reproductive health. In cooking, nettle leaves can be used like spinach. Once blanched or cooked, the stinging hairs disappear and the leaves become soft and tasty. They can be added to soups, stews, smoothies, or even made into pesto. Dried nettle leaves can also be crushed and added to teas or herbal blends. This makes it easy to include in the diet daily. People recovering from illness or surgery often use nettle for recovery due to its high nutritional content. It helps build strength, boost energy, and restore lost nutrients. Because it supports blood health, kidney function, and immune strength, it acts as a full-body tonic. Nettle also supports liver health by promoting detoxification. It helps the liver filter toxins from the blood and supports healthy bile production. A healthy liver improves digestion, skin clarity, and energy levels. Drinking nettle tea in the morning can help cleanse the body gently every day. Because nettle is so rich in nutrients, it can help people who are undernourished or dealing with fatigue. It supports every system of the body, from the brain to the skin, and gives a natural boost to daily energy. It is especially helpful for people with low immunity, nutrient deficiencies, or chronic health issues. Nettle leaf is generally safe, but it should be used carefully. People taking blood thinners or blood pressure medicines should consult a doctor, as nettle may interact with medications. It is also important to use properly prepared nettle and avoid touching raw leaves with bare skin due to their stinging hairs. So, nettle leaf is a powerful plant with many health benefits. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and healing compounds. It helps with joint pain, anemia, allergies, skin problems, digestion, and more. Whether used in tea, food, or supplements, nettle is a natural way to boost health and prevent disease.